So this is main point check number 2. So we are going to be looking at the Mentor text essay, but specifically what I've done is I've pulled out just the Odyssey body paragraph, since that's all we're working on right now. It's just our Odyssey paragraph. And we're just going to focus on our yellows, right? So the 3 main points that are here in the essay. And the purpose of this video is to make sure that each of your yellows is a different example from the Odyssey, a different event, a different moment from the Odyssey, and that each of your yellows uses the word theme, right? Because the whole point of the entire essay is to talk about that one theme that's going to show up in the Odyssey, and then later we'll write about how it shows up in your poem that you choose as well. But we can't talk about that theme if we don't reference the theme in the main point, so we have to have the word theme. If you look here, we've got the word theme in this main point. Additionally, Odysseus leaves the comfort of Circe's palace to go back, which illustrates the theme of never giving up. And then the theme of never giving up is shown through Lyster's description, blah, blah, blah. Okay? So whatever your theme is, whether it's home or strangers or whatever, you need that word theme in there. And then you'll also notice that each of the main points is a different moment or a different part of the book. So this one is about Odysseus seeing his wife after 20 years. This is about him leaving Circe's palace. This one is about him getting shipwrecked. So each main point should be a different moment in the book, and each main point should use that word theme.